Today, we're installing the ACO GroundGuard tile system. So once you've checked you have everything you need for the job, then you're ready to get started. First, add your chosen sub-base material to the excavated area as per the guidelines. Then tamp down with a compactor plate till the area is fully compacted. Now put in your pins and string lines to mark the preferred shape and finish levels required. Next, add your selected fine aggregate. Once that's leveled off, you can start compacting again as necessary. Now install the ACO BorderGuard edging system if it's needed. First, clip the edging pieces together as shown and secure them in place. You can use either the 180mm steel nails or the 250mm fixing nails, or both if the job requires it. With a 90-degree square, check all the corners are correct before you complete the edging install. For curved corners, cut the BorderGuard edging on the rear as shown. This will make the edging more flexible, so you can curve it to the radius you want. Set out your required radius curve and fix the edging in place with the fixing pins supplied. That's it. Now cut the remaining edging to the required length, remove the end fixing lugs if you need to, and complete the edging install. Looking good so far. You'll need to level off the compacted fine aggregate with either a screed bar or a wooden rail. Do this till the area is smooth and has the correct finish and depth. Before you start installing the ACO GroundGuard tiles themselves, you can easily remove these small interlocking clips on the outer edges of the tile as required, where it meets the edging system. Install and assemble the GroundGuard tiles laterally, making sure you interlock each tile with the fastening clips as shown. For the best performance, the tiles should be laid in a staggered pattern rather than a grid pattern. Mark out and cut the tile to the necessary shape and size. The tiles can be cut easily with a general construction handsaw. Perfect. Now it's time to fill the laid GroundGuard tiles with your material of choice. If you're using gravel, it's recommended you use a gravel size of 6 to 12mm for the best finish. Then level the gravel over the GroundGuard tiles so you get an even coverage. Once complete, wash off the gravel with water. That'll ensure you achieve a clean and vibrant finish. Nicely done.